living in a violent world. I started thinking, man, either they don't know, don't show, or don't care about what's going on in the hood. This is a K-SHiZ.
Chasing the lottery, but honestly I see it's mockery of democracy. So I be setting policies influenced by ghetto philosophy, just trying to prevent further tragedy. Remember the thrill of running down on a nigga. Fuck them other niggas, cause I'm down for my niggas. Banging with the homies, throwing out the set. But ain't nothing fun about dead friends. I see people breathing, but ain't nobody living. Heart so cold, their souls lost feeling. I'm trying to heal them with that real hip hop, but they say the only way out the bubble is the pop. And I'm not selling out to sell out shows, even though it'd be dope to bring more dope to my household. Spirituality versus greed, reality versus dream. Wants and needs, our people need to want and need. Y'all just keep on getting by. Everybody's stuck. Either they don't know or they don't give a fuck.
It's the same every day though. I'm in a tornado. Such a dark old tornado.
Now what's the purpose of life if you can't have it all? How can you conquer new things in the world so small? Same shit every day, it's like my life when we pick. Time flies, so we all growing old every week. Birthdays, the worst enemies, but keep a friendly face. If the skies is the limit, I'll be living in space. Snap back to reality, damn, the goal is gravity. Back to the same home with a single mile, I'll be nagging. In a few years, I'll be living up there. Just gotta grow more buzz so I can live like years. Wisdom out the power to earn more power. To live life big and black like a watch waller. Really to the eyes, but inside I'm like a flower. But ain't shit sweet, and the was so sour. So what's the purpose of life if I can't have it all? Maybe God knows, let me give him a call.
This what they gon' talk about now.
I miss my homies. I miss my homies. I miss coming where I'm from. Might need a gun.